Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to manage your profile on WhatsApp, how to add your website, how to manage your working hours, how to add your brand name to your WhatsApp profile. Let's dive in, guys. Step 1, click on the WhatsApp app, click on tools and click on profile. First is your brand name, your finance, your business address, your website, your email, your description, your working hours. So here, your business address, your website. If you have a website and you want people to click from WhatsApp, you had your website here, you had your email here, you had your business description here, and when you are opened. If you find this video helpful, click and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye.